Coach Rosie, you shared these numbers before. Help me get the numbers right so that I'm out here with some correct numbers. Give me an updated number on this anthology. Would you mind?
Yes, sir. So 20 women.
Just yeah, just give me the ballpark. Give me the big picture.
It's like the number was right that you posted, 50,000.
You've generated $50,000 from that anthology.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
How long did it take? And give me put some framework to it.
I know. Okay, so but that's business. I would say within the first 2 months, the first 2 months I collected 30,000.
Okay.
And then the rest came in over the period of the 6 to 9 months we've been together.
Okay,
so the balance came, afterwards, because some people are on payment plans and all this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, so the first 2 months I could legit say that within 60 days I generated about $30,000 from the anthology.
And then over the next 9 months, so you generated over you said 50. You got to 50.
Mm-hmm.
$50,000 revenue from that anthology.
Mm-hmm.
When you find the way, run the play.
Yes.